How to fix PayPal will stop this payment to keep you safe. First, you will need to sign into your PayPal account, and then you will click on Help here at the top. And the first thing that we have to do is search for limited. Now, your account might be limited. Click on this first article. Why is my PayPal account limited? Because you have not provided or verified your bank account information, email address, or your ID doesn't match. So right here, it's going to tell us this. All you need to do is click on Resolution Center. And once you click on Resolution Center, if you have any steps you need to take in order to verify your account and receive your payments or send payments, then it's going to appear here, such as verifying ID, email address, bank account, so on and so forth. If that doesn't work, the last thing that I can suggest doing is re-adding your information. So you will just go into Wallet here, and where it says link a bank, link a card, you just want to relink your bank account, make sure everything is correct, and also you will relink your card if you have one. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.